Hi, my name is Madeline Warner, and I'm a master's student at the Bard Graduate Center, and this is a Mars gun. It was made in 1959 in Japan, and was mass manufactured for a likely American exclusive export audience. And like many Japanese-made tin toys from the 1950s, it was likely made by a group of grandmothers who would often get together and sort of as a community activity would make toys like this to contribute to family income. It was then shipped to the United States and sold in a catalog, a mail order catalog, and bought by a boy in New Hampshire who then donated it to the Bard Graduate Center Study Collection. It's really fun, makes great noises, and used to spark behind the red window.